First of all, thank you for joining us again today. So ITMA, it is still a landmark in the exhibition space for the textile industry. So we are happy to be back, and to be fair, we had mixed expectations, but overall the first 2 days showed a really good attendance of our clients and also new contacts we are having on the exhibition. We see that the interest, especially in the digital printing, is a growing trend. When I'm looking back to my first ITMA, certainly the screen printing was the dominating technology, and nowadays, if you see just hall number 7 here, it's full of digital printing equipment plus ancillary equipment as well. So it's a great place to connect with our clients. It's a great place to connect with our partners, and we're looking forward to some really positive outcome. So about what we are having here on the exhibition, we brought a new digital printer. It's still named Polaris, but actually we are having 2 very new features on it, which is, first of all, we have for our textile applications now the Seiko printhead on board, the 1536, which is a very promising printhead for the flat textile world. But we are still continuing on the heavy textile and on the carpet. We are still continuing with our Fuji Dramatics printhead, which is giving us the right technology to tackle this heavy type of substrates to print on. Plus, beside all these printhead related topics, we have a camera system with us on board to have solutions for single-piece printing, so with outline protection. And what we are demonstrating here frequently on our stand is the solution to print into already patterned substrates, meaning jacquard woven substrates, meaning printed substrates. So, for example, connecting glitter printed on a screen printer with digital printing. So, matching really the 2 worlds, what ZIMMER is offering, the screen printing world and the digital printing world. Especially in the Middle East, carpet is not just a product, it's a part of the culture, a part of the lifestyle, and I think this is exactly the environment where we can play a critical part in the production process. We are, beside all the textile we are presenting, still one of the strongest players in the carpet world, and we are really proud in this. Plus, times are tough on this planet, so one critical thing for us, one critical segment for us is the military textile. So we have on our screen printing and coating equipment, we have a long history for this type of market segment. But since almost 1.5 years, we are on the market active with digital printed camouflage, which it seems we are still one of the only ones which are capable to offer this, and we are really getting very positive feedback. We have a lot of visits, and also the first machines seem to be signed at the show. This year we are in our 150th year of the company, doing innovative things in the textile world. I would say this is an outstanding point in the company history. We have a lot of customers visiting us, which are old and young, and we carry this heritage very well, and we are looking forward to many more decades of staying in the textile machinery business. And to be fair, the ownership of the company is really committed to that. So this is what we are doing. We are producing textile and carpet printing and coating machinery, and we are committed to do that also in the future. Sustainability is a big word, and it's used maybe a little bit too often already. For sure, we are printing process in general uses water. It's the printing, it's the washing process. Everything is water consuming, and it's tough to get over this. But when we are in our technology centers working on new processes to create products for our customers, we really keep an eye to reduce water consumption to a bare minimum. We work strongly with our chemical partners who are playing a big role in this. And there are several steps forward, especially also on the towel printing side. So there are coming new inks which need less post-wash, and it's going step by step, but it's going. I think where we as machinery builders have the biggest leverage is to keep the energy consumption of our machines low. So when you're looking into all the post-processing of digital printing, you're looking into dryers, you're looking into steamers. This is where we have to focus on in the next couple of years to reduce gas and electricity consumption of our equipment. I think the future digital printing is technology will always develop. I think where the digital printing will have the biggest edge in the future is to have a better interaction with the end customer, so that really the sustainability leverage what the end customer has in all this, it's used too little. There are printing on demand. Imagine someone can order his carpet which is printed in Turkey on a machine from ZIMMER. You have the whole web shop integration, you have a design program. So really making the customer part of the production process. I think this should be the future of digital printing. And it's happening in many other industries. I would say the signage industry, any kind of promotion industry, it's much closer nowadays. But in the traditional textile and carpet environment, the link between the consumer and the producer is not yet there where it should be. And this will be, I think, one of the key futures.